Alright, so no GoPro on the wing today. Got one on the tail there. And another is the main cockpit one, mounted on my little map reading light. Zoom in there. So just standard GoPro attachments clamped onto the lamp itself. See the tube hanging down there? That's the lamp. And that black thing there is the audio adapter. And that connects into my intercom down there, which obviously the headsets plug into.
Can you hear me?
Yep. Can you turn on noise count?
I did.
Oh.
Should be on. That feel good?
Yep.
0 Celsius. Altimeter 3037 inches.
3037, Charles. Wow, high pressure. Okay. Make our call. Nevada County traffic, Silver Ercoupe, departing runway 25, we're making a left turn out to the south, Nevada County. Alright, rudders, go. Keep it low, and we'll climb. Yippee! Nevada County traffic, Silver Ercoupe, turning left crosswind. We'll be departing on the crosswind to the south, Nevada County. There's the fairgrounds down there, where those green roofs are.
Okay.
Yeah, that's the fairgrounds. There's the dump over there. Bit of green in the distance, the flat green bit in the distance.
Okay.
100 miles an hour. Bypass Wolf Mountain. Lots of little fires everywhere, isn't there? Over this direction.
Yep.
What's that over there? Wow, there's thick cloud down there, isn't there? Against the coastal range, and wow, that looks really weird. See that black sausagey thing floating on top of that mountain over there?
Yep.
That's weird.
It is.
If you look at those bits of smoke over there, can you tell which direction the wind is coming from?
This way.
Coming from ahead of us, right?
Yep.
We're flying into it, yeah. That means we've got a little bit of a headwind, but probably not much at all. Couple of miles an hour, maybe.
6 more minutes.
You just want breakfast, don't you? I just want to be flying. Actually, I should check out the weather, so we need to get on to 119375.
Auburn Municipal Airport, automated weather observation 182 Zulu. Wind 110 at 3 knots. Visibility.
Alright, well, let's listen to see what other people are doing, which runways they're using. Thinking maybe runway 7 might be
Auburn
good.
traffic, Bonanza 11 Whiskey Papa is departing runway 25, straight out departure Auburn.
And they're doing 25, so it's obviously very calm.
Oh.
Alright, I'm going to make a call here. Auburn traffic, Silver Ercoupe is 7 miles to the north, inbound for landing. Auburn.
Auburn traffic, leg sport, departing 25, headed south, Auburn traffic.
Auburn traffic, Silver Ercoupe is overhead midfield. We'll be setting up for left traffic 25 on a teardrop entry. And Auburn.
46 uniform, are you ready?
Auburn traffic, Cessna 24261, taking off runway 25, staying in pattern. Auburn.
Auburn traffic, Silver Ercoupe is on a left downwind for 25, Nevada County, Auburn. Wow, look at those rapids down there, they're cool.
I know.
Don't normally see those. Alright, we're on our downwind. You hear me, Charles?
Yep.
Okay.
Auburn traffic, Ercoupe 597 is about 5 miles west, landing Auburn.
Oh, we might see main.
Auburn traffic, CHP 21, air van, taxiing runway 25, Auburn.
Auburn traffic, Silver Ercoupe turning left base, runway 25, Auburn. And Auburn traffic, Silver Ercoupe turning final for 25, full stop, Auburn.
Auburn traffic, Cessna 24261, crosswind for 25, Auburn.
Oh, overshot a bit.
Auburn traffic, Ercoupe 597 is about 3 miles west, 2,500, landing Auburn.
Cessna 24261, one for 2.
And Auburn traffic, Silver Ercoupe is off 25 at Delta, Auburn.
Auburn traffic, Ercoupe 597 entering midfield crosswind for left traffic 25, Auburn.
I thought Buzz has a...
Traffic, Cessna 24261, final for 25.
I thought Buzz has a Draco.
Draco? Oh,
Yeah.
Waco.
Oh.
Waco.
Waco. Doesn't he have one of those?
That's a different buzz. Two buzzes.
Oh.
There goes Buzz.
But only 0. So there's 4 zeros left in the row. That. Just 4.
Okay.
That.
Tell me what you've got here, Charles.
I got the Mustang B of the old road.
P-51B model?
Yup.
Yeah, and where did you get it from?
Turn more over there.
From the EAA? That's really cool. They
Well,
just gave it to you?
Yeah.
That's amazing. Well, I'd call this a successful mission. Good breakfast with Buzz, You got a Mustang, right?
Yep.
All right.
Auburn traffic, Skyline 374 Tango Charlie on the go, 25, Auburn.
All right, header tank is full, mixture is rich.
Auburn traffic, Silver Ercoupe is departing runway 25. We're making a right turn out to the north. Auburn. All right, you good to go?
Yep.
Okay, here we go. Forward. Temperature's, pressure's good. 60 miles an hour.
Auburn area traffic, experimental 279 Lima Hotel is making a right cross, departing the airport traffic environment to the north. Last call. Auburn.
Auburn traffic, Cessna 54 Gus, departing 25, straight out.
Auburn traffic, Silver Ercoupe is making a right turn out to the north, departing to the north, Auburn. Those are some interesting looking clouds over there.
Yep.
I'm not sure, they could be lenticular clouds, which indicate a lot of wind over those mountains.
Oh.
Yeah, I think there's something to pay attention to, those clouds. There is a front coming in tomorrow, I think.
Celsius, altimeter 3.031 inches of mercury.
Old crow.
Pressure's coming down a bit.
Nevada County Airport, automated weather observation 2101 Zulu. Wind calm, visibility more than 10.
Wind's calm?
Sky
Don't believe
conditions
it.
clear below 12,000. Temperature 18 Celsius.
Can you hold the aircraft level, please? You have it. You have the aircraft.
Okay. Daddy, can you please take the aircraft?
I have the aircraft. You have the Mustang.
I have the other aircraft.
Oh, there's someone down there. Where are they? Fly over Alta Sierra Airport here. Nevada County traffic, Silver Ercoupe is 6.5 miles to the south. We'll be setting up for a left 45 entry to left traffic 25, Nevada County. Well, I didn't think you would come away with a new model today, but somehow you pulled it off.
I didn't know either.
That's crazy, Charles. I think you have a knack for doing that. Nevada County traffic, Silver Ercoupe is on a 4.5 mile 45 for left traffic 25. We have the diamond in sight. No factor, Nevada County. There's Grass Valley in Nevada City. On my 45 entry 25 here. The Highway 49, the big highway running through there. Then out the front there in the distance, you got the Arab Buttes.
Nevada County Airport, automated weather observation 2108 Zulu. Wind variable at 4.
Variable at 4. That means the wind is coming from all over the place. Nevada County traffic, Silver Ercoupe, turning left downwind for runway 25, Nevada County. Alright, down landing checks. Carb heat is on. Mixture, rich. Trim is set, landing lights are on. Okay, beam the numbers. Throttle out. Big bird. What is that? Is that an eagle? That looks like an eagle to me, Charles. Whoa,
It's an eagle.
There's another one.
Where?
Nevada County traffic, Silver Ercoupe, turning left base, runway 25, Nevada County. Any more eagles? Why didn't he show up on my ADS-B?
Why would he?
He should have his tail beacon on. Nevada County traffic, Silver Ercoupe, turning final, runway 25, Nevada County. Full stop. Nevada County.
Oh, stop.
Full stop. Alright, what's this wind doing? Not much, but a little bit. Not much.
Off my headphones, okay?
Okay. Open this window. In. And Nevada County traffic, Silver Ercoupe is off, runway 25, Nevada County.
Okay, Charles, since you're sitting comfortably, oil change. Take your oil cap off, and then this is the oil tank right here.
Okay.
And you put this little tube onto this, can you see that? Little quick drain device here. And you push this little thing up here. And the oil comes out and collects in there. That's what we have to do to drain the oil. Okay?